Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the current support and resistance levels for the coming week. I am in daily time frame now, and when we look at the price action in daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to make a triple bottom pattern, then to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, breaking the previous high of 1800. And during this bullish trend also we have noticed it to break the previous high of 1980. So from this price action we know that the current bullish trend is very strong in daily time frame. Let me draw a trend line or a channel pattern to understand the current trend of the price action in daily time frame. I am connecting the previous highs and the previous price action lows. And from the past price action we can notice that it was making double bottom pattern, but it not retraced to retest on this trend line or the support line, and we have noticed the price action to continuously trend on the bullish trend, and finally it has broken the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, and also we have noticed it to retest on the bullish channel pattern support line, which confirms the continuation of the bullish trend in daily time frame. So even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, this trend line, which was acting as a resistance line, will be acting as a support line, and only when the price action breaks this support line we can expect a further fall on the bearish side retracement in daily time frame. And the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this blue color trend line or the support line. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action has broken the resistance level of 1898 or 1900, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1976 or the 78.60% in the Fibonacci's retracement level. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1976, we can expect it to retest the resistance level of 2075. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1898, next level of support is going to be around 1850, 1793 and 1723. For now, the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bullish trend. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame also, it is in a continuous bullish trend. It has also broken the resistance level of 1900, and we can see it forming a bullish candle without any wicks on the bottom, which shows the strength of the bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. And in case if the bullish trend gets weaker and bounces back on a retracement, the first level of support is going to be around 1900, and only when the price action breaks the support level of 1900 we can expect it to take support on the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line. Only when the price action breaks the support line we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. And within this bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame, I am going to take the midline of this bullish channel pattern, the green color line, which will be acting as a very strong support if the bearish side retracement starts in 4 hours time frame. It has to break this midline if the price action wants to fall further on the bearish side retracement. In the past we have noticed this line to be acting as a strong resistance. Now this line will be acting as a strong support for the future price action. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also it is very clear that the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend. It has also broken the psychological resistance level of 1900, and it is in a very strong bullish trend for now in daily time frame. So for now I have drawn a resistance line or a support line for the current price action in hourly time frame. For the hourly time frame, if the price action wants to trend on the bearish side retracement, it has to break this green color trend line or the support line, and we can expect a bullish trend to continue as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is finding resistance around the resistance level of 1922, and once the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1930, 1941 and 1954. And if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1922, the immediate support is going to be around 1915, 1911, 1906, 1900 and 1891. And for now, the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is still in a bullish trend. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. For the 30 minutes time frame also, I am drawing a trend line or a support line connecting the lows of the past price actions. And it is very clear that the current trend of the price action is still trading above this support line, and it has also given breakout from this resistance line from the hourly time frame also. So if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, it has to break this hourly time frame support line and also this 30 minutes time frame trend line or the support line, after which we can expect a further continuation of the bearish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1922 and support level of 1915. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1915, next level of support is going to be around 1911, 1906, 1900 and 1891. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1922, next level of resistance is going to be around 1930, 1941 and 1954. And the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this hourly time frame trend line or the support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame, and the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating within the resistance level of 1921 and support level of 1918. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1921, next level of resistance is going to be around 1924, 1928, 1934, 1940 and 1949. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1918, next level of support is going to be around 1915 and 1909. So wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation or the sideways price action on a direction breakout, based on which you can take a directional trade in 15 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.